Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions that is write a Java program to check whether number is a perfect numbers or not in Java. So the questions arrived is what is a perfect number in Java? Don't worry about it. I am explain what is perfect numbers in Java. First of all, you have to understand this to implement your program. If you don't know what is a perfect number, you can't be solve the questions. So the perfect number is if you let's suppose if you have a six, whatever the divisor of six is equal to the our numbers. So as you can see here, our divisor of six is it will be divided by one, then divide by two, and then divide by three. It will be divided by 1, 2, and 3. So this is the our number. Okay. Number 6 have to divide by 1, 2, 3. And to plus this numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is that? 6. Uh 6. We will get the 6. So this is after plus your divisor, it will be equal to your actual numbers. It is a 6 and 6 is called it as a perfect numbers. How to achieve this in the our programs? Let me explain. It's a very easy program. It's not a big deal. Let's take int n is equal to 20, comma, not comma, and with semicolon. Then we need one more variables int sum is equal to 0. It should be sum of your divisor. For that reason, we need a one more variable that is a sum. And this is an instead of an write the number is equal to 20. After this you need a one for loop which iterates until your number for int I is equal to 1 starting from the 1 I less than of and I plus plus. So what we need to check here basically why I'm putting it so it was oh because of we're not here, as you can see here, we're getting the error, syntax error. Syntax error is an insert to the complete the class body. It means we need a main method. Just Control X. First of all, import your main method and then Control V, Control Shift plus F. Now, write not an number. It is less than equal to your actual numbers. It will be iterate until your number. Then, if and is percentile by I is equal to 0. Means it will be fully divisible by I. Sorry, it's not an yeah number. Then sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum plus I. First iteration, if it's divisible by 2, then it will be printing the it's not a 2, it will be printed by I. It will be going to the inside of sum. The next iteration, then I becomes another divisor. Then sorry if I explain with example. Let's suppose here we have a 20 now. So 20 have divided by 2. 2 is a first divisor. You can see 2 is a first divisor. It will going to the sum plus I. So as you can see, your starting value of sum is 0. 0 plus 2 is 0 plus 2 is 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Second iterations are, as you can see here, our number is 20 becomes the 10. After dividing by 2, it will be becomes the 10. Then again, it will be divisible by 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. And the sum what we have are 2. The next time, it will be 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then third time, then fourth time until your divisor have, and after calculating, you have to check that it is equal to your actual numbers or not. After this, let's come out the our for loop and check if sum is equal to n. Print this out. Number is a perfect number. Is a perfect number. Here be a number. Sorry, number. Else, what you need to print this out. Number plus is not a perfect number. Let's run this program and see what we are getting. See, 20 is not a perfect number. Why? So let's come here. Let me take 2 divide by 20. So when we divide by 2 divided by 20, what we are getting? Uh, 10, and it will be divisible by 20, right? Then, as you can see here, 10 is here now. The next time, 10 also divided by 2. 2 divided by 10. What we're getting? Next time, we will getting the 5. As you can see, our 5 is not divisible by any numbers. 5. 5 itself is divisible. So, so as you can see here, 2 is divisor. Then 2 is divisor. Then 5 is a divisor. Okay. So 2 plus 2 plus 5. What we are getting? 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And as you can see here, our 9 is not equal to the our 20. That is why it is not a perfect numbers. Let me take here 10. Not 10, take 6 to check it is a perfect number or not. See, 6 is a perfect number because as you can see here, the divisor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, and the sum of these values is equal to 6. This is the equal to the our actual values. That means it is a perfect numbers. I hope you will understand this program. If you really like these videos, just subscribe my channel, do comments and do likes. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.